Good evening. It is Thursday, April the 25th. My bike is in the shop. The CFMOTO rep was replaced with a different guy, and he wants to address the cruise control by changing the complete wiring harness. I don't think it's going to solve the problem, but I'm grateful that he's willing to take that kind of leap to sort it out. On other news, I have an intake leak, so they are changing the intake manifolds while the bike is apart. And I also started having the fuel sensor issues where I could fill the tank and the gauge won't read full. So I'm happy that they're covering things as they should under warranty. I'm also glad that it didn't take 3 months for the parts to come in. He called a couple of days later, the parts came in. So they're going to change that. And then I have one or two of each of the transmission gear sensor and the reverse gear sensor left over from when I bought a bunch of them when this started. So I'm going to have them change those as well, so that I can have another potential fresh start to see if it sorts the problem out. Otherwise, that's where I'm at, 15,941 miles. Have a good evening.